It's not uncommon for me to encounter conversations of hardship. It's just the place I've put myself in with other people, supporting them. This week there were two occurrences that really shook me. And one of them was someone was really at the end of their rope and threatening termination of themselves, and I had to jump in my car and go help them because that's what they requested. That wasn't me forcing myself upon anyone. The other one was someone who again mentioned end of life, but did it more matter-of-factly, that they lacked direction and purpose and meaning. And it's certainly something that I think we all wrestle with, more so at different times. It's certainly something that I've wrestled with over the years. What I try to do is allow myself a little grace to slow down, think clearly, think honestly, write it down, and at least map a few things out. The first person we were able to do that very thing, we spent a couple hours sitting down with pen and paper, and so far so good. The second, I think there's still some question there. It's hard for some of us to have the discipline to sit and write and get organized. I think for multiple reasons. But for me, it's really one of the only things that helps calm my anxiety and helps keep me in the present. So being out with nature helps a lot, exercise helps a lot, being around other people certainly adds to the positive experience. But until I sit down and can really put my ideas constructively on paper, I remain lost. So it's just a little something from the road. I'm traveling now. I've been driving all day, heading towards Kansas, and then on to Colorado this weekend. Currently, I'm in Iowa, beautiful part of the country, and I wish you well. If there's anything that I can do to support any of you, please just reach out. Love you guys.